Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset Itel A33. It's very easy if you follow the steps along the way. When you don't know the password, you first put the phone off by pressing power button. Then when you see this interface, you wait for it until it blacks out totally. After blacking out, you press power button and volume down button all together at the same time. You keep on holding until the screen pops up. Sometimes it fails to respond, and please make sure when you do this, you first charge your phone to above 50% or 30%, because it makes the phone to misbehave. It misbehaves totally. So you let go the power button and keep on pressing volume down button until you see this interface. Then you use volume down to look for where you want to go, like wipe data, factory reset. Then you click on power button to format the phone. Then you reboot by pressing power button. Here it stays there for a long time. You have to wait for it until it finishes formatting. Just try to be patient on this stage. So when it's done, to bring this interface, you start the phone normally, like starting a normal phone, a new phone. Here on the network, you click on skip, click on skip again. Here on Google services, you accept by clicking accept button. On the password, you click on skip pin, you wait for it. Here you agree on the terms and conditions. You select the country where you're located. Boom, see, it has already worked. Please guys, subscribe this channel for more content. Thank you.